Hold on. This one's getting crazy good reviews everywhere. I tried it because everyone kept talking about it, and wow, it actually lives up to the hype. It's simple, practical, and feels like something twice its price. Go see the full details through the link. It's seriously one of the best finds lately.
Wait, before you scroll, this product's blowing up right now. I've tried a bunch of products like this before, but this one hits different. It's efficient, simple, and feels next level compared to others. Click the link in the description before it's gone. You'll thank me later. Wait a second, this one caught me off guard. It's actually that good. Thousands of people have bought this already, and for good reason. It just works. Super easy setup, feels durable, and looks way more expensive than it is. Before it's too late, check the link in the description. You're gonna love it.
Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. It's been trending for weeks and the reviews are insane. People love how easy it is to use, how good it feels, and how reliable it's been. I didn't expect it to work this well, but honestly, it's solid. Go click the link below before it sells out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. So many people are giving this 5 stars, and after trying it,